Hello, my name is Kurt Cruz and this is Brian O'Neill, and we're here today at Coast to Coast International here in the R&D Center to share with you some of the latest CCI restyling and wheel accessories. Let's go. This is called the IMP99X. An Impostor wheel skin is constructed of automotive grade ABS material and is designed and manufactured to fit over and into a specific wheel. This application is for the 2019 Dodge Ram Tradesman, and this is how it installs. Brian?
Start by lining up your valve stem and pop it into place.
It's that easy. The Impostor wheel skin is perfect for a cosmetic upgrade at a dealer level. It is also perfect if you have a wheel that maybe has some curb damage, maybe has lost some of its clear coat. It's a great way to fix or repair an aesthetically damaged wheel. For additional information or to see more, visit us online at coasttocoastinternational.com.